If I didn't love you, I'd be good by now. I'd be better than barely getting by somehow. Yeah, it would be easy not to miss you. Wonder about who's with you. Try to want you off whenever I want to. If I didn't love you. If I didn't love you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is a great new song that's out right now. I'm a big Jason Aldean fan, especially of the album 9 and this song too. I mean, he's got a lot of other good stuff, but I really love 9 and this new song. So anyway, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, and it just means a lot to me. And let me know if you have any questions or requests. I know there's a couple in there, and so I'm getting to them when I can. Yeah, so this song is in standard tuning, and then it has a capo on the 6th fret. That's 6th, okay? So 6th fret. So there's only 4 chords, and as far as I understand, they're in the same order the whole time. I'm gonna show you a couple different strumming patterns that go along with it. I don't know that this is exactly how they play it. Don't hassle me if it's not like exactly how they play it. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is this is one way to play it, and I think it's pretty close in some ways, but I mean, there's obviously like a piano and other stuff in it too. So this is just an easy way to play it, okay? That I think sounds pretty good. So what you're gonna do first is everything, all the fingering is in relation to the capo, all right? So whenever there's a capo, that's like the 0th fret, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your pinky, your pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Your ring finger, all right, goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're gonna put your middle finger, it's gonna go on the 3rd fret on the A string. Now you don't have to. I think it sounds a little bit better with it, but you can put your pointer finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the D string. We're gonna call that C suspended 2, all right? C suspended, we'll just call it C suspended. All right, you're also gonna do D suspended 4. Now one thing to keep in mind, you're gonna be anchored down with these 2 fingers. So your pinky and ring are gonna never leave those strings, all right? They never leave those strings or those spots. So this is a very easy way to play this song, okay? So what you're gonna do is, after you're playing C suspended, and you're gonna lift up these 2, and you're gonna put your middle finger, all right, it's gonna go on the 2nd fret on the G string, all right? And then I'm muting the big E string up here. Okay, like that. So you do that, and then you're gonna do E minor. So E minor, you're doing it just like regular E minor. You're gonna put your pointer goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. We're just gonna call it E minor because you're gonna keep your pinky and ring on the whole time. And then next you're gonna do G. So G, just middle finger, 3rd fret on the E string, and then pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, just like that. Okay, so the intro part is you're gonna strum it just like I was. The strumming is super easy in this song. So you're gonna do down, up, 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 down, up. I don't think I told you what we're calling the 2nd chord. We're gonna call the 2nd one D suspended. So you're gonna do C suspended, D suspended, E minor, G. So for the intro, you're just gonna play that through one time, and you're just gonna do it like that. So it's D suspended, E minor, G. Okay, now when you get to the verse, all right, I would either play that much softer, okay, and during the verse, you're only gonna wanna hit the bottom 3 strings, okay, the G, B, and little E. Just like that. Hear how good that sounds? Okay, so you can do that, or you can palm mute it. So you can do, wouldn't mind being alone. And I think it sounds best if you do palm mute it here. But so you're gonna do C suspended on I wouldn't, right before you say I wouldn't. Wouldn't mind being alone. Then you do D suspended, right after alone. Wouldn't keep checking my phone. And then you do E minor. Wouldn't take the long way home just to drive Drive is where you do G. Just to drive myself crazy. Then you do C suspended. I wouldn't be losing sleep. And then after sleep you do D suspended. Remembering everything. And then E minor after everything. Everything you said to me, like I'm is G. I'm doing lately, you. Okay, so then when you go to the pre-chorus, you're gonna play it just like you did the intro, okay? So you're gonna do, you wouldn't be on. So you do C suspended, and it's the same order, the chord progression the whole time. You, so C suspended on you wouldn't be on. So all is D suspended. All that I want. So want is E minor. Want, baby, I could let go. And I would just, on go, I would just do G and do a single strum. And then after that, you're gonna mute. If I didn't love you, I'd be good by now. Okay, so here, you're just gonna be, I mean, you could do up, down, but it's gonna sound better, I think, if you just do down strums. So it's just, you're not muting or anything, you're just doing down, down, down. So love is where you do C suspended. Love you, I'd be good by now. All right, now is D suspended. Now, I'd be better than barely. So barely is E minor. Barely get by somehow. How is where you do G. How? Yeah, it would be easy. Easy is C suspended. Easy not to miss you. So wonder, the dur part is where you're gonna do D suspended. Wonder about who's with you. Turn the want is E minor. Want you off whenever I want. So that second want is G. Want to, if I didn't love you. So that love is where you're gonna do C suspended. Love you. D suspended, if I didn't love. So that love is E minor. Love you. Okay, so when you go to then the song just repeats itself after that. So you're the second verse is the same as the first verse. Second pre-chorus is the same. Second chorus is the same. The bridge, you're gonna play it however you want. So you can do it like that, or you could do. It's up to you in this. So that's how you play the song. Super easy. So let me know if you have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.